This is Sujata. In this video we are going to learn about voices. Okay, what is voice? Voice is a form of the verb. It shows whether the subject does not something or has something done to it. Right? So we have two types of voices, that is active voice and passive voice. And active voice is doer of the action. Okay, doer of the action. Example, he writes poems. He writes poems. Okay, and passive voice is nothing but receiver of the action. Active voice is a doer and passive voice is a receiver of the action. Here you can observe the example, poems are written by him. Okay, poems are written by him. Next, let us see some more. Okay, if the tense simple in the simple present tense, then we'll use be forms. Am, is, are, right? Simple past was. Simple future be form. Okay, present continuous being. Here in voices we are using present continuous tense being. Okay, past continuous tense also being. And in present perfect, past perfect and future perfect we are using been. Okay, we can observe here some more. Okay, these are the basics of active voice and passive voice. When I comes in passive voice, we have to use me. Okay, and if we comes, then have to use us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, it. Okay, it will change when we come into the passive voice. Let us see structures also. Okay, in simple present tense we use subject as forms object. Okay, here am, is, or. In simple present continuous, here present continuous in passive voice. Subject am, is, or, verb 3 by. We are using by here. Okay, directly we are not using object, we are using by. If you remember all these structures, then easily you can speak in a passive voice. Okay, and active voice is same like a tenses only. Okay, when we come into the passive voice, it will be change, slight change. Okay, we always use by when we use passive voice. Here we'll see some examples in simple present tense. Okay, we eat apples daily. This is a active voice. And passive voice, apples are eaten by us daily. Okay, by us daily. She helps me always. I am helped by her always. I am helped by her always. I speak English. English is spoken by me. Okay. And in present continuous also, she is playing chess. Here, sorry. She is playing chess. Chess is being played by her. Chess is being played by her. Students are doing a strike. A strike is being done by students. Okay, and we'll see in present perfect also. He has received your letter. Your letter has been received by her. Okay, we'll if we remember this being here. Okay, present perfect we are using been and present continuous we are using being. Okay, if we remember these two tables, then definitely will frame a sentence by using the structures. Okay, and past perfect, I had solved the problem. The problem had been solved by me. Okay, and continuous, I was reading newspaper. Newspaper was being read by me. Okay, like this. And in simple future also, okay, they will see the film next Sunday. The film will be seen by them next Sunday. Okay, we'll use like this, right? And in future perfect tense, they will have passed the SSC exams. The SSC exams will have been passed by them. Okay, and I didn't mention here past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous tense. Okay, and present perfect continuous tense. The tenses, those tenses are not applicable here in voices. So please practice on this more. If you have any doubts or if you require any notes, please comment me. I'll provide you the complete notes and I'll clear your doubts also. And please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.